Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have two items from Stitch Fix Freestyle. One of them I'm super excited to show you because it was on my list. If you haven't watched that video, check it out above. Every season, I keep a continuous list, but every season I go back and I look and I refresh it, and I constantly add to it when I watch other YouTubers show things, and I'm like, oh, that's something I want, or oh, it's something I could use in my closet. So I don't know what made me want this. This was not something I saw another YouTuber. Maybe I did. Maybe I think I did. Somebody got these in a Wantable, in a short version. Democracy shorts, and then that just started getting me saying, no, I don't want shorts, I want jeans in this railroad stripe. And these came up on Stitch Fix Freestyle, and I was so excited to see them. Now when they first came up, I guess I didn't realize that what they were. They came up as like, check, and then once I found them, I didn't hit the trigger button fast enough, and I lost them in my size. So I kept being persistent. Once I knew the name brand of them, what they were, I just kept looking and looking. They finally came back in inventory. So these are by Boom Boom Jeans. They're called the Veda Flare Pant, and they're only $48. So what a deal. The pants that I was looking for, and under 50 bucks, you can't beat it. So these have the patch pockets in front, which I like, which I think are so fun. They do not have any pockets in back. There is a lot of stretch to this. And these are being labeled here a size 1. So I guess these tend to run juniors sizing. They're 59% cotton, 39% polyester, 2% spandex. And yes, they have that fun railroad stripe all the way down. And check out this leg. How fun are these? That said, I am nervous about these fitting me. Number one, thank goodness there's a lot of stretch because they really look narrow in the hips, and that is my problem area. Number two, they look super long, and the rise also looks long, and I knew they were high rise. I have to make these work somehow. I'm really hoping that these work because these are exactly what I was looking for. So I'm going to be putting them on with my highest pair of shoes, and fingers crossed I can get away with these. Or maybe even if they're too long, maybe if they're not so long that I can't get a little bit taken off, I might invest in to get them altered, as long as it doesn't ruin the flare look. Okay, 48 bucks. All right, Boom Boom Jeans. This is also on sale. This is Love Ellie, and they're calling this the Ainsley Collared Crop Knit Top. I didn't realize it was cropped, I guess, when I ordered it. It does have a collar, but the collar is like of a different material. It's just like a regular, like cottonish material. The rest of this is a ribbed material. I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see how it's ribbed. And this is, I'll tell you what the material is. It feels like mostly cotton. 95% cotton, 5% spandex. And I just thought this was very cute. I do have concerns that it's gonna be too tight. I know it stretches, but it really does seem small. It doesn't look crop, but you never know when you put it on. I'm also worried about the armholes being too big. Again, really reasonable price, on sale, $16.97. It's kind of like in this dark turquoise color. Yeah, I'm gonna try them on. You know what, I don't think I'm gonna try them on together because I want you to really get a good view of how these jeans should look, and how I would style them. All right, give me a minute. Okay, so these are these crazy Boom Boom jeans. I love them. I know this is not everyone's cup of tea, but I find these so fun and so retro. So they got the patch pockets in front. They are snug. I'm going to deal with them. They were $48. They're novelty, and I will wear these. These are fun, and I will put them in my rotation of my ever-growing jean collection. They're quite long. I'm going to pan down so you can see. I can get away with it though, I believe. You can see where it hits. I'm wearing them with my clogs. I figured let's make this whole outfit a retro outfit. And of course my burnt orange moto jacket. So I do like these. These I think are fun, different. They're extremely high rise, more than I like. This is like hitting the bottom of my ribs and like where you kind of, cut in. It's probably about, 2 inches above my belly button. So whatever distance is, maybe 1.5 inches above my belly button. Yeah, I like these. I think they're fun, and I'm going to keep them in my wardrobe, and I'm so happy I'm able to make them work. All right, give me a minute, and I will try on the turquoise top. Okay, up next is the turquoise top. Now, I was debating whether or not to keep it or not, but I think I will because it was $16.97. And I could think of a few things that I'd like to wear with this, including a skirt that I have. It's got the collar and a nice V-neck, which I like. It is ribbed, so it's very form-fitting, and it's also cropped, but it's fine for me in the high-waisted pants. So if you are seeing this on Shop Your Look, you might not want it because it is cropped and form-fitting. It also goes in very deep over here on the sides, but I just kind of shoved my bra in there. I'm wearing a regular bra with it, and I think it fits fine. I'm up a few pounds right now. I've been having many days of very poor eating. So yeah, once I get my daughter off to college, I got to get my eating back on track, my workouts back on track, and I think I feel a little bit more confident in this top. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I think it's a good top, and I also think it will do well in the fall when it comes time to layering. I often have that problem. I have lots of coats and jackets, and often I have an issue with layering because of the sleeves, and I think this would work well. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.